What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Standard Man Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, today I have with me
Allison.
She is going to help us out with this video today. Now, as you can see, guys, I am in downtown Lexington in my home city and state of Kentucky, and I absolutely love this place. So we're really going to knock this out. She got this whole entire outfit on with the blazer, the jeans, and the top. So we're definitely gonna knock this out. She got a whole little business fashion-y type vibe here. It's gonna be like this little building. I'm really gonna try and take advantage of it right here, right behind her with this outfit, because I think it works out well and kind of makes her pop a little bit out of the scene. I'm gonna use my Z8, and I'm also gonna use the arc reflector with this softbox, sorry, not reflector, the softbox. And we're gonna go ahead and knock this out. Now, Allison, do you wanna say anything else to the fine folks out here?
Oh, yes. I'm happy today because we worked together.
Yes, okay.
Yes, for a long time. I saw that you hard work, amazing work for your picture, yes, and everything.
Well, hold up. She's trying to butter me up. She's buttering me up right now, guys. She's buttering me up. And of course, if you want to work with Allison, all the stuff is going to be down in the description box below. Of course, would have popped on the screen by freaking. You ready to get to work?
Yes.
She's ready to get to work, guys, so you know what that means. Let's get the fucking work. All right, cool. They put this thing on and I'm ready to go. So let's start you right here on this edge here.
Y acá aquí parece que estoy como saliendo de la oficina. Voy a salir de la oficina.
Perfect, actually. Yeah, I'll start you off right there, actually. Let me see. Because I think, so you stay there.
Okay.
Going to just add my light.
Wow. Muy professional. Muy professional.
And we're going to do a test shot right about now. 1, 2, 3. Look at that test shot. I want to boost the power up just a tad bit more. Perfect. So I'm going to go over just a tad bit more, and we are ready to rock. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Good job. 1, 2, 3. I know I'm kind of in the way right here, so just kind of bear with me, but I kind of like this location we're shooting at right there. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. 1, 2, 3. Let's shoot up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good job, good job. That's what I'm actually going to do. I'm actually going to have her on, lean on this. Let's have you lean kind of right here, on here. I'm going to shoot you here, going straight down that direction, because I think I like that direction better. Hang on, a car just went my way. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Place. 1, 2, 3. 3. Look in that direction for me. Yeah, just like that, yeah. Yeah, perfect. All I want to do is just angle this down a little bit more, guys. The purpose, great use of having the arc reflector. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Good job. Yep. Yep. Hold that. Yeah.
Uf, marica, esa cara que se me...
Oh, hold up, man.
Ooh, I love it. Yeah.
Now what I'm gonna do is probably put it right here on the stairs now. I'm gonna have you on that stairs there. All right, guys. The reason why I just had her switch, because it's like a lot of trees right behind her, and I kind of still want to kind of make it seem like she's in the city. This right here is a lot of trees. Obviously, you can't, but this way is a lot better. I got trees, but I still got buildings in my perspective here. And as of right now, I'm not changing my 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I love that. Good job. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna try to get full body. Stay right there. Hang on, wait for the cars. Wait. All right.
Los carros que pasan.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh yeah, these are killer. Perfect. So hold that right there, yeah.
Esas quedaron. I love it.
All right. What I think I'm gonna do, guys, actually, is I'm gonna come way back here a little bit, because I want to put those buildings as you see right behind her. I kind of want to put that in the frame here, so we're actually going to shoot right here. All right, guys, here we go. So we're going to shoot here, so I can get that couple right there. We're going to knock this out real quick. Yeah. Good job. 1, 2, 3. All right, turn to me now. Turn away. Yeah. I like that, yeah. Yeah, look at this. Oh, yeah.
Wow, it's perfect. This camera is amazing. Oh my gosh. No, oh my God, my face is perfect. Oh
Good
my
stuff,
God,
guys.
I need this camera.
Right. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me rotate. Right. Oh yeah. Right here, actually. And then I can probably get some of that build in the background. All right, here we go. Perfect. I love that. Hold that. I love that.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
All right, let's redo those again. I'm just gonna move my light in this direction.
Okay.
God, it looks like it's about to rain.
You want a same pose?
Yeah. Stay there. Yep. Stay there. Oh, look. Yeah, just look down just like yeah. Yeah.
Me, I love it.
Ooh. All right, now lean on the. Oh, that's. Yeah. Perfect.
Wait. What? ¿Cómo así?
Eso, hay que eso sí, técnico.
Oh, that, I'm gonna get it.
¿Ya te digo lo que puedo?
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Eso, sí.
Where is this rain coming from?
No, it's supposed to not rain today.
I know, it wasn't supposed to rain at all. One day is sunny, the next day it's raining. How do you think about this rain? How do you?
Oh my God, look at my
The shirt is wet. Happens, guys. One day is nice, and next time it's raining. Look at this. Now we're in rain. Wait for that car to move. Oh, I love that. Yeah, hold that. Yeah. Yeah, hold that. Look at me. Okay.
In English, right?
English, Spanish, whatever you want to
You
do.
speak Spanish?
Very
Poquito.
poquito. Yeah, very. I ain't there yet.